Make a great choice today with the 2018 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.